Hey, Stiltz elevator owners. I ran into a problem here in North Carolina when we had the hurricane come through, and we lost power for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. The battery inside the Stiltz elevator was dead because it doesn't recharge. It's not a rechargeable 12-volt battery. So all you need to do is take the top cover off, set it aside, and then I'm going to lift this camera up. If you look right down here, I replaced it with a rechargeable 12-volt battery, and all you have to do is remove the two leads, the red and the black leads. You can also remove this. It's real easy. Just lift it off, and then you see you have more access down here to pull out your battery. Let me move this camera a little bit more. You can see the battery down there really well now, the two leads, black and the red. You can slide it out this way, come out this way and up, and then install it. Just put it back in. But just replace it with a rechargeable 12-volt battery. It's the same type of battery. It's just another way for the company to make money, do a service charge to come out. And what happens is the remote will not work to make the elevator go up and down, and the lights will not work on the unit, all because of this battery right here. Hope that helps. So if your lights don't come on, your remote's not working after a power outage, replace this 12-volt battery down here.